The most dangerous animal on Earth? I promise, it's not what you think. 5. Crocodiles. These silent predators lurk in rivers, attacking without warning. With jaws that can crush bones, they kill hundreds of people every year. Terrifying, right? 4. Dogs, rabies carriers. Surprisingly, man's best friend can be deadly. Rabid dogs cause tens of thousands of deaths annually, proving that not all dogs are harmless. 3. Snakes. A single bite from a venomous snake like the black mamba or king cobra can end a life in minutes. They're responsible for tens of thousands of deaths every year. 2. Humans shocked? You should be. No species has caused more destruction to the planet, or to each other, than humans. We're the second deadliest of all. 1. Mosquitoes. The tiniest creature takes the top spot. Mosquitoes kill over 700,000 people every year by spreading deadly diseases like malaria and dengue. They are the deadliest animals on Earth. Silent, sneaky, and everywhere. Did you guess?